inside the taxi and inside
Inside the room.
Minivan.
the
Yeah.
room too.
Inside the boat.
Boat.
Inside the farm.
Ah.
That's inside because have a boundary.
Yeah.
Anything with regards with the boundary, that's inside.
Oh.
Even though you are outside,
Yeah.
you are inside the boundary.
Wah, no, right.
Thank you very much.
Yang usah ya? Yang usah Is it physical boundary or imaginary boundary?
A spiritual boundary.
Spiritual boundary.
No mubakasama na
Yeah.
elo mga dito kira. You know, this is a boundary.
Yeah.
A studio boundary.
Okay, Demasi.
Come.
Okay, still on that. Please tell us, enlighten us on the boundaries, yeah?
Yeah.
Nanduin ni earthly boundary,
Yes.
what I na spiritual boundary.
Right.
Mai, go. Ni rumah tanggo kiri madal.
You should from the earthly boundary and that's nabura-mura.
Iyo.
ECP.
The global boundary of life.
Iyo.
That is a nature boundary.
Iyo.
As we can see now,
Iyo.
straight from the side, coming from
In between.
Woloku.
Reservoir Road.
Iyo.
Reservoir Road, follow the hotel, the way Monu Road coming like this.
Yes.
You see the bowl.
Iyo.
That's one boundary.
Right.
Namba bato kaya?
Iyo.
There's no soil there.
Iyo.
Oi.
Only stone.
Saan sina?
Bamba bato, when you go like this at Edinburgh Drive,
Iyo.
you see up like this, only stone.
Iyo.
That's a boundary. It's like a bowl boundary. Nature.
Right. Okay.
Yeah,
right.
You go like this in the sea, in the river.
Iyo.
You see the waves footstep.
Iyo. Footprint.
That's a boundary. After that, it decorate the boundary itself. It symbolize different organism,
Yeah.
different plants who can grow there to show the boundaries.
Oh.
Luka,
Yeah.
Remai, see.
Iyo.
You see the sea,
Yeah.
you see the sand. That's one boundary. After sand, you see mangrove swamp.
Iyo.
That's a boundary.
Iyo.
After there's only certain organism that can live on that certain place.
Iyo.
So you leave the mangrove swamp, you come to the land.
Right.
You come to the land, you see whatever that can live there.
Yeah.
You'll never see a wild animal in where we live. So they are in the wildlife,
Yeah.
in the bush.
That's a boundary.
That's a
too.
boundary.
Boy,
It's their boundary. Your boundary.
We clap on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your boundary is play a major role in your life.
Oh.
Yeah.
Warna bu tamaya bu totok bu.
Because where there is your boundary,
Yeah.
there is life,
Yeah.
there is food,
Yeah.
there is source of strength, source of income. Gora bultari dalo.
Okay,
What if it's no boundaries?
If there is no boundaries,
Yeah.
cannibalism will be a major role of life. Because we will climb to each other.
Iya.
Nobody
Yeah.
will believe in a certain place
Yeah.
to live in peace.
Right.
We will collide and no
Right.
laws,
Oh, yeah,
no life,
rule, eh?
no rules.
No rule of law. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Totok warna nabu. Okay, that's physical boundary, the earth
Yeah.
one. Eh? How about the physical, the spiritual boundary?
Spiritual boundary is like this.
Iya.
Sometimes when we see the police,
Iya.
a case of murder
Iya.
in a certain place,
Right.
in an area,
Right.
you see the cushion. Saya dapat kena posya, kau kan romon na butuh
Iya na tip.
Kosan.
Iya.
Iya.
Kosan, yeah.
That we see that we can our leg can go over
Iya.
or you go down.
Iya.
When you see
Don't
like
come
this,
closer.
you
Don't
move closer.
Iya.
Okay,
Tells you.
another things,
Iya.
spiritual boundary.
Iya.
When you see something that not supposed to be doing. Di ko rin yung kasing tanda mo na kama. You know, it's against the law, it's a sin. Your spiritual boundary says no.
Don't.
Oi.
Don't steal.
Iya.
Don't murder.
Iya.
Iya.
What if you want? What if you
Don't
sing? What if you are looking at something you are not supposed to look at?
Bound your eyes.
What like what?
Remove the black. Insert the green. Where there is black, there is
Devil.
yes.
Iya.
See you, I see black. Belum the black, you use the white.
Right, mataboko.
Yeah, that's how our boundaries. Because in our life in Fiji, in the country,
Yeah.
you are only abide by the rules to make you a good person.
Right.
If we don't have rules,
Yeah.
we will move anyhow.
Right.
We will break anyhow.
Yeah.
We will never respect.
Yeah.
We will never live in peace.
Right.
Where there is law,
Yeah.
because our laws brings from the Bible in the 10 Commandments.
Wah, na. Totoo ka ya. Thank you so much, Nemesi, for the.
Now I know.
Yeah.
Now I know that you mind.
Here.
Yeah, spiritual.
Here.
And another thing
Here.
is a physical boundaries.
Here. Right.
Physical boundaries comes towards physics, calculations,
Yeah.
mathematical.
Yeah.
You see something
Yeah.
you are not supposed to do.
Yeah.
You do.
You
Wah, na. Totoo ka mo. Tiri pa madal na
You
ka.
are 5%. You are
Yeah.
5%.
Physical boundary is this.
Reto ko.
Mommy said, don't go to the nightclub.
Iya.
You say, Mommy, I'm tired. I want to sleep.
Iya.
After Mommy off the phone,
Iya.
you jump.
Iya.
Ijaw.
Not
Ijao.
through the door, but takatubalaka.
Nakatumbaleka.
Iya.
After the katubaleka, when you come back,
Iya.
you said you wake up early in the morning with the boss call. You want to come and work.
Oh.
Or elsewhere.
Iya.
Mommy stay at home. You another work site.
Right.
I'm sleeping.
Iya.
I'm sleeping.
After the call, you move away. That's physical boundaries.
Wah, na.
You trespass from your physical belonging.
What the
That's something true.
Iya.
Yeah.
Okay, last question. Uci sa tos yung nangauna. We can to naman tali ko. Dorbo no totok tukunir biniki na ngonele o riribinak.
Kandaw.
Na tukuk, na
Uy,
Cook Islands.
Cook Islands.
What if Fiji
Yeah.
sema tu patakia tukuk baka mendongan na umangele.
Oh.
And there's the bagori na Tabuli na
Bridge.
iyo
Mesema?
mes iyo
To connect them.
iyo
Nakire na bu merabala tila tinamatan ni singa membuto-buto tumobi.
yeah border
Boda.
iyo
Senga.
like you saying na boundary border is a boundary is a
Border is a boundary too.
is a boundary
Yes.
Will you go to the Cook Islands?
I won't go to the Cook Islands.
Will you cross the border?
I'll never cross the border, but
Yeah.
I'll run a business of a kababa
Yeah.
to the border,
Yeah. So that what?
so that people from there
Yeah. Come and meet there.
come and meet us.
Yeah.
Just stay at the border.
Yeah.
We do one selfie.
Yeah. That's it.
You stand from your border.
Yeah.
You do one selfie.
Yeah.
If you are thirsty, come and drink out the kababa.
Must be.
Pagkatuwa, you know, if we have the because
Collaboration.
collaboration
Yeah.
featuring
Yeah.
every name
Yeah.
like Samuela, your name is a meaning word.
Right.
Atunesa is a meaning word.
Yeah.
The Messi has a
Rhyming
meaning.
Yeah.
A meaning word.
Right.
Everybody, a place.
Yeah.
So na puno yata tungo, pa imbali tunada.
Right.
So,
Dhati. Biu.
Dhati, biu.
Dhati and biu is the like the meaning.
Iko dhata
meaning is
kay
the-
biu.
Right.
Biuta.
Yeah.
Because
like
sa
it,
dhata,
you
leave it.
if you hate it,
Yeah.
you leave it.
Right.
Eh?
Don't bobinak.
Because sa dhata nga ang biuta.
Right.
So, Cook Island,
Yeah.
where there is food.
Yeah.
Cooking,
Yeah.
Oh.
food.
Yeah.
The food of Fiji is from Cook Island.
Cross the border, gore.
Okay. Oh, okay, keramba.
Hey. Yeah.
Every time climb the.
Climb the fence.
Lemu nga na nga une kubutungan na boda ya. Na pindre ko la rama na menengo na. Ano kung gori?
Sakali, pina palim sarvi takar bilu ban nanda ngor boru takar ouch palangi show.
Iyo.
Ero bogat na bisigan. Matang di ba rombu ka di kwa.
Ndo sa taro mengo meda mangada ni kababa.
Iya.
Nada ni kababa na kukunda. Na kokonda.
Yeah.
Iya, iya,
saying,
iya.
This my bumbuya.
Iya.
Who the one?
Kau sila ko namin mo way kata-kata?
Iya, he said my.
Kalau kau ini militar au tukang ko namin na way kata-kata, ito namin tapay 40 sa porta ka bumbu.
Oi.
Kalau di bangko sila itu
Benaka.
sila itu mentono ibabit.
Sa pasu ni South 4. Tinailawa 3. Jamas, minapali usar na siya buat mana matali ko.
Bila meningang kana
Timi
timi
kata mana pematal sa tak tu dem siya.
Pai.
Ha?
la konro
Sa
ke magwata.
kilani ko ni dem sa matandi na may FNU lambas.
Eh?
Ang
Ang
may lang be lambas.
Iya sibiriti.
Itu naman mo ito na orta uonda wata.
Sike lutu.
Nagupale nei Iva Ana Dimbedi.
Oh, yan binaka.
My Christchurch in New Zealand.
Yan binaka.
Pinabali ba siya masiko may ena mata ka binaka ni kuwai?
Yan binaka Jiria Masta se Gio, GR Masta, Mastermind, Mats wat
Karua.
Sike lutu. Se Sike lutu mbaka. Sike lutu.
Every morning,
Yeah.
Jina Timbi will not comment.
Here now?
Now comment.
Yeah, what did he say?
Laughing.
Yeah.
He tell me the day,
Yeah.
you no more from Bonolebu.
We from Kandavu.
He tell me, you no more from Bonolebu, you from Telebu. Huh? How come I'm from Telebu?
Yeah.
No, because...
We are Thailand, we are Kandavu.
See.
Luka.
Only them is can say I love you to his momo. Iyo.
Huy.
Iyo. Kau tukul sar nga ya?
Meron buka betul ko irak.
Tala fatala pausos.
Rosini ngau.
Hey.
Kamu itu nga binabali usara marama tao.
Challenge completed.
Kamu boleh
Yeah.
kata lingku bayalo
Thank you.
binabali usara.
Tadi kata ada benaka. Hah?
Rosarotoro, kasaka ko
Ah?
Marusingaw. Mamul Marusingaw.
Boleh binaka Rosini ngau na kangku boleh kata lingku bayalo boleh binaka.
Iya.
Nama kali usara. Jadi la timbiu o basu sa lebih kerap itu naban
What
romusinga.
happened to them last night?
He was luka.
Iya.
Bang kari ko la.
Iya.
Ando mo sa nawe kanta mai isia.
Iya.
Arawe kanta na isia na bepono ni mo tuno kami sabang karain do mo luke.
Iya.
You luka.
Who look who?
Jay the Timbi was there looking for taxi.
Iya.
Vasu, call Vasu. Vasu no luka. Siya ni basi kamay.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So, Vasu,
Iya.
you are no more luka. You are luki.
So how's the call last night in Lolombo? Them is
Hey, the call is very on par.
yeah.
He
But you
contribute.
usually say that you don't like blanket.
We don't like blanket
Yeah,
because
especially you.
you know, blanket now is a major roles of our life.
So where you sleep last night?
I sleep. Panganggo tarumindo ng ngone ko ang kasi tingo na baratan kala kamindo na friend tarin ko. Gaito tarumindo na tungo ni darbu na nanda basu. Hey, are we is navi. Simbera nga mo yo lupe ngone ko. Kasi la sembi upuse ngai kinditi ko.
Yeah.
Are navi in the home.
In the home. Ang kila ke oko mo day
20 second.
Eh, pero belum sarap ito kan, isi coach kan itu kita dalam matang di kuwa, may ada nang katar